interesting. I want to try it. Oh my god! Whoa, so spicy, but so good.
Nice.
I'll take them all. Aha! Let's make something delicious with these. Noodles. Water. Buldak sauce. Hey, Duck, can you deliver some chicken for me? Okay, Daisy.
Yeah, boy.
Over on delivery. Huh? Already delivered? Nice. Told you, super fast. Chicken. Salt. Pepper. Mozzarella cheese. Flour. Egg. It looks so delicious. So yummy.